You're watching Revex Radical Rides.
I was on a roll there for a while, and yeah, I was pumping out videos for a bit, and then it died again. But that's okay. So we're doing some tune-up work on the loader. I've got the brakes done on this side. Yeah, that's crazy. Brake pads for one side was $300 and some. Insane. So yeah, $600 for pads on both sides. This disc is $1,600. Man, equipment is not cheap. All right, we're on the passenger side, which doesn't make sense in a piece of equipment sometimes because every side is the driver's side. Yeah, so there's next to nothing left in pads. And the rubbers are pretty gross, but the pistons went back in on the other side, so I'm hoping it does the same here. So this one's on metal, and this one's not. So we gotta knock these pins out, these two pins, and then we can just slide them right out. With the pins out, bottom one's a bit of a pain, but I'm gonna try to scooch the piston in a bit. So I can try. There we go. One out. See if we do the same on this side. Oh, that piston's gonna run real nice. Yeah. This one might be a pain in the butt, but hopefully we get it. Because a rebuild kit for those boots and all that shit is not cheap. Oh, piece of the brake pad. All right. That one's stiff. It's gonna go though. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna get that all set and put some pads on it. The pads are in. Yeah, this one's a little stiff, so I'll have to keep an eye on it. I put some lube in there. Hopefully that helps it a bit. But yeah, so now I got these pins that are gross. So I'm gonna clean them up and straighten out the one and stick them back in. Pins in, everything cleaned up. Good. Sweet. Move on to the next thing. The next thing is checking all the diff oils, greasing all the bearings, greasing all the U-joints. You know, a good night. Here I have the drive shaft out at the back of the loader. When I was under there greasing, I noticed that this one is done. Dead. Just dead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the caps off, and these things they got like a little stringer in between them. So they're welded together. There's a little strip that goes from side to side just to keep them together. So we're gonna take this apart, and cool part is I have another one that the same thing happened to, but these ones are still good. So I'm gonna rob these caps from this dead U-joint for that U-joint, as long as the ends are still kind of good. Because I had some grease and like you can tell they're greasy, so maybe the ends are still good. Let's hope. I'm gonna pop this off and we'll see. I literally just made the sickest phone holder ever. Power level 1. pry bar, which I left under the loader. The sad news is it's completely fucked. It's like, it's totally like in a point almost, both sides. Just worn right down. This one's not as bad, but it's bad. Alright, let's go see what the other bearing looks like. They're definitely SOL because they're both the same. I wonder if I can spin these in my lathe. After watching an episode of Make It Customs, that's another channel on YouTube that I've recently found and followed, fellow Canadian, lives in BC. Anyways, he was basically going over how he uses his CNC plasma table to make like brackets and stuff like that. So it prompted me to kick this guy in the ass to try to get it going, figure it out. So at this point in my life, I forget if I even posted anything about this. Did I post anything about this?
I don't remember.
Alex doesn't remember either. I don't remember either. But anyways, I'm gonna do a quick recap. We got to a point where we had two axes moving and we had it start cutting and it would start cutting the pattern and then it just fucked off in the corner. So that's where I remember being. So hopefully today, tomorrow, hopefully just today, we iron this thing out and we can start making parts with it because that'd be awesome. So I'm going to keep working on the loader and the Corolla up there, and that's where my life is. I'm gonna work on my life too. So hopefully we can have a nice cheer session at the end of this day, but I'm gonna film everything and see where we go. It's been several hours later and life is not good. Somehow the computer's fried. Somehow, just put it together not that long ago, about a year.
About a year.
Fuck, I just want to jump off a cliff right now. Like I seriously, like I'm so fed up with the shit that I think, like, yeah. I'm this close to just selling everything and just saying, fuck it, you know? Just live a moderate life with zero heartaches. So, yeah. Basically, my whole customizing cars and stuff, racing, all that stuff lies on Alex right now.
Hey!
Yeah, you heard. I think he's going to rock a piss. Anyways, I've got the wheels on. I've got to get the loader down on the ground because the yoke underneath on I call it a transfer case, but I guess it's just the transmission. It's a little bit loose, so I got to tighten it up, but I won't tighten it up until something's on the ground that won't move. So yeah, I gotta go under there and do that. So I'm getting the wheels on. Okay, that's enough. So with the phone dying, I didn't get a lot filmed. Actually, I don't even know what I'm actually going to show you now, but we changed I changed the U-joints on the drive shaft at the back, put that back in, greased everything up, tightened up the hydraulic motor, or the hydraulic pump. Now I got a hydraulic line that's leaking here. I think it's coming from this here. It might be an easy line to fix. Change Otherwise, she's pretty good to go. That's gonna do that for the loader videos for now. So I'm gonna take the Corolla down, put it on casters, roll it around on this side. I'm gonna park the loader on this side so that my dad can have the garage door opener. So there's only an opener on one door. So yeah, I'm gonna work on the Corolla on this side, put the loader on that side, and yeah, get some work done. Guys, how's it going? Basically, we've got a family loader ride happening. Happy birthday, Abby.
Thank you.
Hi, Law.
Hi, love.
Look up.
Look at Daddy.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Nope.
It's like there's no one there.
Yeah. So anyway,
There we go.
hi, there you go. So we're basically plowing the yard, and we're gonna take Isla, we're gonna tie a GT to a truck and do things that CAS would not approve of with your child. So
You guys see over there?
we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, you could say it's working out. Hang on tight. She's saying truck.
Isla, hold on tight, baby. There's a big truck. Hold on tight. That's me.
Anyways, we're having fun. Yeah, this time it's Uncle Chance's turn. Do the lean! Do the lean! Oh! Oh!
Cute.
Hi, love. What do you think? Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Isla's turn.
Say bye, truck.
What's on that pallet is enough to cover the whole roof?
Yeah, I think so.
You want to go one more time? Here we go. Okay, hold on tight. You want to go home on the GT?
Yeah, here. It's already recorded.
Okay, are you ready, Isla? Say go, go, go. Hold on tight. Vroom, vroom.
There's a big yawn.
She's tired.
Tired, my girl?
Dad, you're boring. You're not going fast enough.
No chance.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh god.
Step forward.